Welcome to Session 2. Today we will connect three powerful ideas: opposites, additive inverses, and zero pairs. Opposites have the same distance from zero but point in different directions. When opposites are added, they cancel to zero. By the end, you will find the opposite of integers, decimals, and fractions, simplify a zero pair expression, and avoid confusing an opposite with a reciprocal or an absolute value. Start with the number line. Positive 5 is 5 units to the right of 0. Negative 5 is 5 units to the left. Their distances are equal, but their directions are reversed, so they are opposites. In symbols, the opposite of a number A is negative A. Be careful when A is already negative. If A equals negative 9, then negative means the opposite of negative 9, which is positive 9. The magnitude stays 9, only the direction changes. 0 is its own opposite because 0 is 0 units from itself. Find the opposite of negative 2.6. Step 1. Identify the magnitude. Negative 2.6 is 2.6 units from 0. Step 2. Identify its current direction. It lies on the negative or left side. Step 3. Keep the same magnitude and reverse the direction. Move to the matching point on the positive side. Therefore, the opposite of negative 2.6 is positive 2.6. A quick check confirms that both points are exactly 2.6 units from 0. Opposites are also called additive inverses because their sum is 0. The general rule is a plus negative A equals 0. Now simplify 18 plus negative 18 plus 7. Step 1. Locate the opposite pair, 18 and negative 18. Step 2. Combine that pair to make 0. Step 3. Add the remaining 7. 0 plus 7 equals 7. Grouping a zero pair first makes the expression shorter and reduces sign mistakes. Three ideas can look similar, so separate them carefully. The opposite of 5 is negative 5. Same distance, other side. The reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. It is the number that multiplies by 5 to make 1. The absolute value of negative 5 is 5. It reports distance from 0. Opposite changes direction. Reciprocal flips a fraction. Absolute value reports magnitude. Ask which job the question requests before changing anything. Use a money example. A $42 credit is positive 42, while a $42 charge is negative 42. Step 1. Confirm equal magnitudes. Both amounts have magnitude 42. Step 2. Confirm opposite directions, credit and charge. Step 3. Add them. Positive 42 plus negative 42 equals 0. The account has no net change. Equal amounts in opposite directions form a real-world zero pair. Let's recap. Opposites have equal magnitude and opposite direction. Their sum is 0, so they are additive inverses. 0 is its own opposite. For a quick check, the number that forms a zero pair with negative 5/8 is positive 5/8. Keep building your skills at Bridge to exam.com. Visit www.brigidoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.